Peds card collection back at you with another break. This is going to be a little bit of a bigger break in this video. We have ourselves a box of 2019 Topps Chrome Jumbo Box. We're looking at 12 packs, 13 cards per pack. We're looking at 5 Chrome autographs on average per box. If you look at my channel from a couple weeks ago, I opened one of these and had a lot of fun doing it. Had some, I think I got a nice Josh James purple autograph, and then a bunch of good rookie cards and relics, inserts, and then a few other cool autographs. So I've been holding on to this box for probably a month now, so I figured it would be a good time to open it. So hope you guys enjoy, and appreciate you guys checking out my channel, checking out this video. Appreciate it if you drop a comment, like, and subscribe. Also, I posted a giveaway video for getting to 50 subscribers. Pretty excited about that, so check that out if you want to enter. It's pretty easy. I got directions in the description, so you don't even have to really watch the whole video if you want. I think I'm giving away like 7 or 8 cards. Pretty decent cards. It's my first giveaway, so it's not like I'm giving away like pretty big autos yet or anything, but gotta start small. I mean, I think I have Vladdy, rookie in there, Topps Heritage, and a couple other decent rookie cards that I think could turn out to be something nice. So anyways, here we go. These packs are pretty nice, pretty thick. And only God knows what's in these right now, only the baseball gods. But if there is a Pete Alonso, Tatis, or Guerrero, or voice crack, or Guerrero auto in here, or like numbered refractor, I'm going to lose it. So, yeah, looking for 5 hits, guys. So hopefully we do well. Okay, we got an autograph. Almost gave it away. Miguel Franco, Ramon Laureano rookie card. Peralta, Giolito, Urias, nice. Baez. Hunter Dozier, Prism. And for the hit, looks like an A. Francisco Arcia. Not bad. I think I've got, okay. No, I haven't gotten this guy yet. Let's see. All right, not bad. All right, first hit from the first pack. Angels. Jacob deGrom, 2-time Cy Young winner. Hader. World Series winner, Max Scherzer. We got a Joey Votto. Jake Bauers rookie. Ooh, Pete Alonso rookie card in the second pack. That is going in a sleeve, ladies and germs. Put him over here. All right, we got our Taylor Ward rookie card. Noah Syndergaard. Dylan Cousins. And looks like we got a blue coming on up next. Looks like another Cardinal. Or no, a Twin. And we got ourselves an Eddie Rosario. Ooh, that's nice. That looks really sweet. Number to 75. Very nice. Gonna put that over here for now. I'll sleeve that up later. And that's that for the second pack. So off to a pretty good start. Already got my Alonso in. He's one of my major PC guys, so that's always nice. I think I have like around 20 to 20, maybe like 23 Alonso rookie cards now, so Starting to stack those up. Got DJ Stewart, Jacob Nix, Ohtani, Mitch Haniger, Rhys Hoskins, Jake Lamb Prism, and we got a hit. Josh Rogers, rookie auto. Haven't heard of him, but pretty cool looking autograph. So we will sleeve that guy up and put him on display. Hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving. I have 3 of his autographs. Just interesting. See how he turns out. And this is Striker's guy. Shout out Striker. Urias rookie card. And Mr. Mullins. Wah, wah, wah. So we got 2 of our 5 autographs. Still looking for 3. Sandy Alcantara, Dakota Hudson, Arcia rookie, Nick Markakis Prism, and we got a Corbin Burns purple refractor autograph. Nice looking card. Number to 250. Don't know much about him, but still a cool looking card, so we'll sleeve that one up. Bang. In the last pack in the first stack. Still looking for the Vladdy, still looking for the Tatis, and still looking for the Eloy. So hopefully we can get all 4. I believe I got all 4 in the first jumbo box. Perez, Ward, Reese, Boyd, Giancarlo. Looks like we got a gold. Ooh. Gold Jacob deGrom. Very nice. Number to 50. That's pretty nice. Let's set him down next to Mr. Rosario. Sleeve him up. Very nice. And on to the second stack. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely did some decent amount of shopping on Black Friday. Went on a couple of the websites and got some pretty good deals. So in my upcoming videos, I'll be breaking open the cards that I got. I got 2019 and 2018 Topps Finest coming in. I got a box of the Topps Sapphire because that was on sale. And I believe I got a Topps Archive hobby box, so that should be fun. D. Gordon and Shohei Ohtani. Very nice. Very, very nice. Jose Barrios, Starlin Castro, Kobe Allard. Auto of Jeffrey Springs. Boom. Pitcher for the Rangers. Oh, it's numbered to 499. Not too familiar with him either, but if anybody has any insights, wants to drop a comment, feel free to go right ahead. So we're looking for one more auto. See what we can get. Hopefully we can still get a Vlad. There's a Kyle Tucker. That's nice. There's Vlad. Vladdy rookie card. Very nice. He deserves a sleeve. Arcia, looks like a refractor. Chris Shaw Prism. Kobe Allard. Down to our last 3 packs. Hoping for a big hit. Hoping for a real big hit. I don't want to spoil, so I'm just going to play it safe. Only take a few cards off the back. Loaisiga. Ramirez. Juan Soto. Ooh. Eloy. Negative rookie card. Very nice. That is very nice. Oh, I think we got a hit on the back too. Looks like a catcher. Nicholas Sufo autograph. That Eloy is sick. We will sleeve both of these bad boys up for you guys check out. Put him in the front. Sufo, guess he's a catching prospect for the Tampa Bay Rays. I really like that Eloy. That'll be something to hold on to for sure. And last 2 packs. Will we get a hot box? Will we get an extra auto? We are about to find out. Still no Tatis, but now we do have Alonso, Eloy, and Guerrero. So if we do get Tatis, we're looking pretty good. Bader Prism. All right, here we go. Something thick. Interesting. Very, very interesting. And I'm just going to tap the Jacob deGrom on this for good luck, and then also put him on display. Let us see what we get. Story. Glaber Gold Cup. Colin Moran. Tani. Looks like we got a relic. Ian Kinsler patch. Very nice. Let's see if that's game used. Rookie debut gear relic card of Ian Kinsler. Nice white patch. Let's leave that one up. And that's the break. So pretty sweet. Didn't strike any of the big 4 autos, but we did get this Eloy negative rookie card. Got this Jacob deGrom gold. Rosario to 75. And then we got a Vladdy and an Alonso. So overall, pretty good break in my opinion. Had fun opening it, and this is definitely one of my favorite products. So let me know what you guys think, and have a nice day.